Welcome to the DJI Modify tutorial video, where we will show you how to edit point clouds. Click Create Project and select Point Cloud. Enter the project name. Select a storage location and select the loss file. Click OK to load the project. Once the project is loaded, you will enter the pre-processing menu, where you can perform point cloud smoothing with ease. When noise reduction is enabled, it can reduce discrete noise points in the point cloud to improve the quality. When smoothing is enabled, point cloud thickness will be reduced to remove discrete noise, making local structures clearer. When density adjustment is enabled, you can choose to downsample the point cloud by distance or percentage to reduce the point cloud density. When classification is enabled, the point cloud can be automatically classified into 7 categories: ground, vegetation, building, wire, electric tower, dynamic object, and vehicle. Click Process to start point cloud classification. The results will overwrite existing classifications in the point cloud file. In the Smart classification, ground points are divided into 2 categories: ground, category 2, and ignored ground, category 20. The ground category retains more low-elevation terrain points, making it better suited for generating terrain models. The combination of ignored ground points and ground points forms a complete set of ground points, which is more suitable for earthwork analysis. If the point cloud was not classified during pre-processing, you can click the ASBRS class panel, then click Reclassification to enter the Reclassification panel. Smart Filter, more suitable for city and multi-building scenes. It currently supports classification into 7 categories: ground, vegetation, building, wire, electric tower, dynamic object, and vehicle. The results will overwrite existing classifications in the point cloud file. When the point cloud density is low or the point cloud is overly dense, the classification accuracy may significantly degrade. Terrain Filter, more suitable for quickly extracting ground points and retaining more low points. In the left sidebar of the point cloud model editing interface, you can hide model blocks that do not need editing or point clouds that do not need classification. In the right sidebar, click Smaller Point Size to decrease point size of the points. Click Larger Point Size to increase the points. Click RGB to display the real color of the point cloud model. Click Class to add class colors to the point cloud. Drag the slider to adjust the color intensity of points of different classes. Click Elevation to display corresponding colors according to the points at different heights. Left-click and drag the mouse to rotate the rotation tool, and the model will rotate accordingly. When rotating with the rotation tool, the initially selected plane will be highlighted. In the editing interface, press and hold the middle mouse wheel to rotate the model. Scroll the middle mouse wheel to zoom in or out. Press and drag the right mouse button to move the model horizontally. The horizontal coordinate system of the model is displayed at the bottom left corner of the editing interface. Hover the mouse over the point cloud to display the coordinates of the point. The device's CPU and GPU information is displayed at the bottom right corner. If the GPU is not an NVIDIA discrete graphics card, an orange exclamation mark will appear. Single selection allows you to select one area. Add selection enables continuous selection of multiple areas, while remove selection cancels previously selected areas. Set type for the selected points. 6 categories are supported: ground point, vertical surface, roof, power line, pole, and others. Adjusting the tolerance level can modify the effect of smart selection. Adjusting range can modify the radius of the selected area. After adjustment, select the class for the points. Click Color Selection to quickly select point clouds with the same or similar colors. Increasing the tolerance level enables the selection of point clouds with a wider range of color deviations. Lowering the tolerance level allows you to select point clouds with more similar or even identical colors. ASPRS class is supported for point cloud data in the selected area. Click Brush Selection to quickly select areas by painting over them, such as streetlights, poles, or vehicles. Click Polygon Selection to quickly select large, regular sections for editing, which is useful for supplementing points where the Smart Selection result is not accurate. Click Rectangle Selection to quickly select rectangular sections. Click Single Selection to choose models that are difficult to pick directly. You can also use the outline to hide relevant point cloud files, classifications, and terrain results, making point cloud selection easier. For selected areas, click Delete Point Cloud to remove classified point clouds. Click Undo to revert and edit. Up to 50 undo actions are supported. Select the desired areas, click Class to classify them. The classification follows LOS 1.4 ASPRS rules and is stored in the classification attribute. At the upper right corner of the model editing interface, click Export Output to export point clouds. There are 6 supported formats: LOS 1.2, LOS 1.4, PNTS, PLY, PCD, and S3MB. In ASPRS class, click Properties of a classified category, then click Export Output to export point cloud results for the specific category. Click Terrain Result at the top of the editing interface. Click DEM to adjust the resolution according to GSD. Enable Contour to adjust the interval, datum, elevation annotation radius. You can also enable or disable filtering of invalid contour lines and set the minimum value. Enable Grid of Points and tend to switch between standard or smart modes and adjust the sampling distance to modify the initial point grid spacing. After the adjustments, click Process to start point cloud processing. After results are generated, you can select the corresponding results in the outline. You can enable Display Color by Elevation for 10 results to render a more intuitive terrain effect. Open Local Folder to view the storage location of the results. Thank you for watching.